All right, welcome back to Squawk in the Street. It's time now for our ETF Spotlight, and for that we send it over to Mike Santoli. He's got a look at the smaller cap ETFs. Mike.
Yeah, David, it seems like we spent all summer talking about how the small caps were outperforming the major averages. It seemed as if the market was kind of hiding in the domestic small cap plays as those trade war fears flared on. But that's been a different story this month. If you look at the IWM, that's the Russell 2000 ETF, compared to the S&P 500, this is month to date. So you see the Russell is underperforming. This is a 1 month, actually, underperforming by just about 2 percentage points. The big caps, on a year-to-date basis, the small caps still do hold a bit of an advantage. So they basically built up enough of a lead toward the middle of the year that they still are up a bit more than the S&P 500, but not too much. And I guess it raises the question as to whether investors were just kind of hiding in the domestic names and the small caps as they worried about things like the trade war. I will say, if you look at the dollar index ETF, the UUP, that peaked in mid-August, and that's just about when the small cap trade started to cool off. So it seems as if, even though it was kind of a domestic corporate story, it seems it really was a macro trade. Essentially, once the dollar backed off and emerging markets started to bounce last week, small caps are giving back some of their gains. So this is where people are watching to see if it's going to formulate any trends for the remainder of the years, guys.